Hi guys, I am Ishita Khatun. Today I will discuss about first function and follow function, which is very important for designing a parser. Actually, they are used for error recovery. First sets are the set of all what can begin a production rule. This is first function, and follow set are all what can follow a given symbol. This is follow function. So there are some rules for first function and follow function. Okay, let's see. Consider the following grammar. You see here some production like E implies T E prime, E prime implies plus T E prime epsilon, combination of terminal and non-terminal symbol. So terminal symbol is that every lowercase letter and non-terminal lowercase letter and operator and parenthesis, non-terminal symbol and uppercase letter. So follow these. E implies T in prime. First one is T, that means uppercase letter and non-terminal symbol. So we follow T and check out the first one is F, that is also non-terminal symbol. So we follow F and we find out ID and closing bracket. This is ID and first closing bracket. This is terminal symbol, so we put it first function of E, ID and this closing bracket. And second one is E prime plus T E prime and epsilon. So first one is plus and epsilon, so this is terminal symbol, so put it first function of E prime here. And third one is T implies Ft prime. Again F, that is uppercase letter, that means non-terminal symbol, so we follow F and find the ID and this closing bracket, that means terminal symbol, so we put it follow first of T, ID and closing bracket, this. And T prime implies multiplication Ft prime and epsilon. Multiplication and epsilon is terminal symbol, so we put it first function of T prime. And finally F implies ID and closing bracket and E, so this closing bracket and ID is terminal symbol, so we put it first function of F. So we find all the first function of E, E prime, T, T prime, F. Then we find out follow function of this head. Before find out follow function, we need first function of this head, like this. So according to follow function rules, now I am going to describe part by part. So first line is E implies T E prime. So follow the rule 1, place $sign in follow set of start production. So here start production E, so follow up E, put a $sign. For the second and fourth rule, this production A implies alpha B beta, E A epsilon alpha T B and E prime beta. Yes, why this epsilon? Cause we need alpha and epsilon multiplication with something, result will be the same. So here epsilon is alpha. So we check the first beta function. So first of beta, that means E prime plus epsilon. So plus put it follow of T. If there is epsilon, we go to the fourth rule. So follow up E will be placed follow up T. Follow up E will be placed follow up T. And for the third rule, this production A implies alpha B is A and T is alpha, B is E prime. So follow up E will be placed follow up E prime, cause third rule match this production. So follow up E place follow up E prime. Second line, E prime implies plus T prime and epsilon. Epsilon is not allowed for follow function because single terminal symbol invalid for follow function. So here plus T E prime, we follow this combination. So e prime a alpha plus b t and beta e prime. So first of e prime plus epsilon, so plus put it follow of t, that means beta. Again we find the epsilon, so we follow the fourth rule and follow of e prime place will be place follow of t, follow of e prime follow place follow of t. For the third rule, when we plus t is alpha and b is e prime, that is correct, but plus alpha and b t e prime, b is t e prime, that is not correct. These are two non-terminal symbol. So follow up e prime place follow up e prime, follow up e prime follow up e prime is same, so no put it here follow up e prime. For the third line, t implies ft prime, so again we need epsilon, that is alpha, and ab beta t prime. So for second and fourth rule, first t prime multiplication and epsilon. Multiplication already put it a, so no need again, and there is epsilon also, so follow up t place follow up a, follow up t place follow up a. For the third rule, a implies alpha b, match this combination, this production, so follow up t prime, so follow up t follow up t prime. So fourth line, t prime implies multiplication of t prime and epsilon. Epsilon is not valid, so we works this symbol, works for this symbol. So first of t prime multiplication and epsilon, multiplication already put it up follow up f, first of beta put b, and there is epsilon, so a follow up a will be place follow up b, that means follow up t prime place follow up a, follow up t prime here put it. And for the third rule, follow up t prime will be put it t prime same, so no put it here. For fifth line, identifier is a single terminal symbol, closing bracket e, so compare this combination, alpha is this closing bracket, b is e, beta is this closing bracket. So first of beta here is closing bracket, that put it follow of e, so follow of e closing bracket, there is no epsilon, so no works here. For the third rule, this is not valid, so we get follow of e, follow up e prime, follow t, and follow up and t prime. So finally we get this follow up e dollar closing bracket, follow up e prime, follow up e, that means dollar closing bracket, follow t plus follow e follow prime plus dollar sign closing bracket. So follow t prime plus dollar sign closing bracket, follow a multiplication follow t prime, that means plus dollar sign closing bracket. So this is our follow function, and this is another example for first and follow function. So thank you for watching.